up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So today's video, it is going to be voiced over, but I did want to give you guys a brief intro before the video starts. There is a bonus entry somewhere throughout the video, so make sure that you watch all the way through to get that bonus entry for the giveaway. If you're not part of the giveaway right now, I will link that in the description box below for you, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so to start this look, I did start with tape in my Morphe eyeshadow base, and I put it on my eyelid where I wanted to add the color, so basically like in a cut crease motion with the wing. The palette that I'm using for this tutorial is from the Crayon case, the Big Box of Crayons palette. Of course, I'm not sponsored in any way. I just really like this palette because of the colors that it has in there and the names. So this color that I'm using right now is East Baton Rouge. It's a shimmery lavender. And now this purple that I'm using right now, this one is St. Landry in the palette. You could really use any palette that you want. This is just the one that I'm using and the two colors that I used. So the eyeliner that I'm using here is my holy grail when I do creative looks. It is the NYX liquid vinyl liner. Now I did draw a line over the purple that I drew, that I put on there, but you want to make sure that you leave an opening for your heart shape, which is why the two lines aren't connected. And I'm just going back over it to make it thicker, and now I'm adding the heart. I really can't find a way to explain to you how I drew the heart. I just tried to draw like almost an X, but of course not the whole way down. But as you can see, this is just what I'm doing to make the heart. I'm just going back over everything to make sure that the heart is thicker and the lines look good and thick. And I kind of messed up here a little bit because I wanted to make a double line, but I didn't realize that the lines were too close together because I knew I wanted to add the pink in between the double lines, which is why you kind of see it look messy here. But whenever I add the pink line, you'll see it all come together at the end. Now here I'm just going to add some liner. I'm using the Queen Duo. The liner that I've been using the past couple videos is the same one that I'm using here. And I wanted it to be thick enough to be bold enough for my lashes that are huge. Now right here I'm just adding a little bit of white inside of the heart just for a little razzle dazzle, a little something extra. And I'm going to go back over it with my black liner to outline it better because the white got a little bit thicker than I wanted it to be. I'm going to take my hot pink out of my rainbow pigments. This one is by the brand J. LaRue Cosmetics. I saw them on Instagram and I just ordered these. I can't remember how much the thing costs. These are kind of older, but it is just a pigment. So what I did was take a liner pencil brush like this, and I dipped in a little bit of water and then dipped it in the pigment to make this bright neon type of liner. Now I'm going back in with my black liquid vinyl liner just to clean up those black lines and make them thicker and go over the pink. Just remember in the beginning I told you I kind of messed it up, but here we go to clean it back up to make it look good again. Peeling the tape off is my favorite thing, so I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. And the makeup look that I'm doing, well, foundation routine that I'm doing, I'm kind of underpainting. I'm just going to highlight and contour, and then I go over it with my Studio Fix by MAC. And I'm telling you this now because I want to go ahead and give you guys a bonus entry for the giveaway. So for your bonus entry, what I need you to do is go to my Instagram account at Mallory Alexis, follow me, and leave hearts, pink or purple, under the mini tutorial for this video. Doing those two things will get you an additional 2 entries into the giveaway, and then for a third bonus entry, if you tag a friend under that same video after leaving the pink or purple heart, then it will get you a third. So follow me on Instagram, pink or purple hearts underneath the mini tutorial for this video, and then if you want additional entry, just tag a friend under that same video. If you do not have an Instagram, I'm so sorry, but those are the bonus entries for this video. There will be another video with additional bonus entries that will be exclusive to YouTube, so you will have a chance to get your bonus entries, but this one is just for Instagram. So sorry if you don't have one, but that's just what it is this time. Okay, so back to my foundation routine. Now, what I did was underpaint with my concealers. They're from ColourPop Cosmetics Pretty Filter, and what I'm doing now is going through and baking my face. The one that I used under my eyes was from Makeup Revolution, the banana powder, and then I took my Juvia's Place Kalahari to do under the contour. And now I'm just going to take my MAC Studio Fix foundation, this is the NC45, and start to blend everything together. I like to do it this way because I feel like it gives me more coverage and kind of saves you time, because you don't have to go through with the liquid foundation. You just underpaint and then cover it with your pressed powder. Now my blush is from the new ColourPop collection, the Juice Bar. This one is a shimmery pink. Your blush, I'm just going to finish up with my Morphe setting spray, add lashes, and I'm using the Belgian Waffle by BH Cosmetics highlighter. Just using a little bit of lip liner, and I already had lip gloss on, which is where the tint came from. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you have not already, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and don't forget about your bonus entries. You will see my face in the next video.